This stunning building in Barrington, Rhode Island got a full roof transformation. From tearing off the old shingles to replacing the plywood on the roof deck as needed. Every step is handled with purpose. We start by removing every worn and weathered layer, down to the bones. Then we carefully inspect the entire deck and replace any damaged sections. And finally, the main act, installing brand new asphalt shingles with accuracy and care. This isn't just a roof, it's protection for everything you value underneath. And there's more to Skyview than just roofing. We offer complete home and business exterior solutions, gutters that drain right, windows that insulate and shine, skylights and sun tunnels that flood your home with natural light, proper attic venting for energy efficiency, and siding that boosts curb appeal and durability. Whether you are in Providence, Warwick, Barrington, or anywhere across Rhode Island and Southeastern Massachusetts, our team is ready to work with you. We're hands-on, detail-driven, and passionate about helping home and business owners feel safe and proud. Call us today for a free inspection and personalized estimate. Support local, trust experience, and check out our 5-star Google reviews to see why your neighbors already love working with Skyview Exteriors. Trusted, local, and family-owned roofing experts.